In this module, we are going to discuss about Google Ads for beginners. Topics to be covered: how to create a campaign. We are going to create a complete Google campaign. While creating a Google campaign, all these topics will be covered. And in the end, we're gonna also discuss about Google principles, how the Google algorithm will work. Right. So let's start. How to create a Google campaign? To create a Google campaign, you need to create a Google ad account. To create a ad account, you need a Google Gmail ID. You can create a Google ad account by using your Google Gmail ID. Once you create your Google ad account, your ad account will look something like this. Okay, and here is the option to create a new campaign. I will just go with the new campaign. So while creating a new campaign, it asks for two things. One is your choose your objective and select your campaign type. So what is objective and campaign type? Campaign objective is the main goal business wants to achieve from a particular marketing effort. Campaign type is a determine where your ads will be watched by the audience. So campaign objective means a business objective. For example, if a business wants to major objective of the campaign is to get sales, so I'm going with the sales one. If the major objective of the campaign two is to get data from the customer, for example like name, email, number, you want to get the data from the customer, so you will go with the leads. So user will visit your website and fill up the form. He will mention his name, email, id, number, and you will get the data. If you want a user to visit your particular website, so you can go with the website one. If you want your user to download your app or engage with your app or pre-register your app download, you can go with the app promotion. If a business is launching any kind of new product, so you want to create awareness in the market, right? If there is a new product in the business, you want to create awareness in the market, so we'll go with the awareness and consideration stage. If you want a user to visit your store, then you can go with local store and visit. Right now I'm going with the create a campaign without a goal. If I'm selecting any one of these options, so the campaign algorithm will start working as per the objective. But right now I'm creating a campaign using keyword. So what I will do, I will create a campaign without a goal. So by doing this, I can have a complete control of my campaign, right? And in the campaign type means where your ads will be shown. In the search bar is nothing but like this one, cars by. So this you can see this, right? This is the search ad. You have search for cars, but you are planning to buy a car, then you have search for cars, then that is a search ad. Shopping ad is nothing but if I'm searching for shoes, so you will get few ads over here, right? So this is nothing but a shopping ad, right? And pmax ad, we're going to discuss this about later. And video ads, I think most of you are aware about this video ad. Video ad is nothing but which is shown in the YouTube in the mid or in the end and then in the beginning of the video. Skippable ads, non-skippable ads, or in the YouTube feeds you can see the ads, right? So that is nothing but the video ads. And demand gen ad will be shown in the three inventory of the Google, that is Gmail, and another one is Google feeds, and another one is YouTube. So these are the three inventories where demand gen ad will be shown. And most of the time demand gen ad will be used for generating leads, because demand gen ad mainly focus to drive maximum amount of conversions, maximum amount of leads as it is possible. So next is app ad. It is used for through download or pre-register your apps. And display ads. So what is display ads? Display ad is nothing but if you going to times of, for example, display ad is nothing but the ads which is also shown in the Google inventory and also shown in other millions of websites which are in the Google. For example, if I'm going in the Times of India, which is not in the Google inventory but is also it is in the Google, right? So you can see ads over here, right? This is the ad, this is the banner ads. So these type of ads is known as a Google ads, which shows in the millions of other websites which are in the Google. Smart ad is nothing but as a local store visit ad. So right now we are going with the search campaign, right? Next step is it asks for a conversion goal. You can create your conversion goal, or you can also go with a Google hosted conversion goal. According About these conversion goals, we're going to discuss in the upcoming models. So for now, I'm going to continue, and you can add your website or phone number over here. Just go with the continue. You can name your campaign search campaign 1, right? Continue. Okay, the next thing you're gonna see is bidding. So what is bidding? So bidding in Google campaign, price an advertiser pays for each engaged views, impressions, and click on ads. but Google Ads will automatically set your bids for you to try to get maximum conversions as possible. If you are okay, and if you are setting a target CPA, CPA is nothing but a cost per action. It will try to get your leads near or within the bid you set. So bidding is nothing but a bid you're gonna give for your keyword or you're gonna give for your campaign to rank your ad. So there are many other options on the bidding. You can click, you can bid on your clicks. You can set. I want to set my 10 rupee per click. You want to get 10 rupee per click. You can bid. But right now we are going with the conversions because we are running a campaign to get maximum number of conversions as many as if possible. And there is one more thing. If we are setting a target CPA, like we discussed, target CPA is nothing but a cost per action. For example, if I want a conversion within 1000 rupees, I can set over here within 1000 or near to 1000, your lead will be cost, your conversions will be cost. If you are setting this as a 2000, then your conversions will be cost within 2000 or near to 2000. But right now I don't want any kind of limitations, so I'm going with the maximum conversions. So another thing is customer acquisition. So this is the new option recently Google has launched. So in this what happened, Google will bid equally to your new users as well as the old users. For example, if I'm a user, I have visited your ad, but I'm visiting your ad twice, second time, then the Google will charge less. But if you take this option, the Google will bid equally as the new user. So we don't want to go with this option for now. Go to the next part, and it asks for the networks. So like I said, we are going with the search campaign, right? So I want my ads only to be shown in the search part, not on the display parts. So I gonna untick display network, so my ads will be only in the search terms, in the search placements. Okay, so you can also set your locations. You can go with the India, or you can specifically mention your cities, or you can exclude few of the cities over here, but we are going with the India. You can set your language as per your requirement. And next option is audience segment. So what is audience segment? Audience segment, also known as users list, it means a group of people with a specific interest, intent, or demographic information as estimated by the Google. So you got to know what is audience segment. It is a group of peoples with a specific interest, intent, or demographic information as estimated by Google. As estimated by Google means Google has given you few of the options to select your audience like this. There you go. So Google has created few of the segments over here. So let me discuss one by one. Who are they? You can segregate the audience by demographic. For example, if I'm looking for customers, looking for audience who are currently in college or high level of education, like you can target those peoples. And what are they interested in? For example, if someone is interested in shopping, so I can target those people who are interested in shopping, and I can target those people and try to get my product sale. And one more thing is, what are they actively researching or planning? For example, I'm actively searching for cars, or I'm actively searching for an online course, so I can target those people over here. If you click on this, you can target those people who are actively searching for educational programs, service, or tutoring. Okay, next, what are they how they are interacted with your business? In this option, once you connect your website and your YouTube channel, the options will be appeared over here. If you connect your website, it will show whoever all interacted with your website. You can target those people. If you connect your YouTube channel, whoever all interacted with your YouTube channel or YouTube video, you can target those people as well. As okay, I hope you got to know what are these four options do. And in the end, your combined audience segment. What is combined audience segment? You can create your own audience by combining all these four options. You can combine all four, or you can combine three options. You can combine the audience and create one single audience. You can target those people. So right now we are like I said, we are going with the keyword campaign, right? So I'm not going to target any kind of audience over here, right? So we're gonna skip this part. And target setting for this campaign, for example, if I'm targeting shoppers, okay, so if I'm going to targeting, it will only target those people who are shoppers, who are interested in shopping. If I go with the observation, it will target these people as well. It will target shoppers. It will also try to target similar people of these shoppers. So maximum time we will go with the narrow, but right now we are not going with this segment. We are going to create a audience using keyword, right? So we're gonna skip this part now. Broad match keywords, we're going to discuss this in next slide, right? And there are few other options, that is you can set your ad date and time. You can select your ad which day to be run and which day should not be run and which time should your ad to be run. You can set that. And in the ad rotation, for example, in the one campaign, you can, if you created two ads, so you can if you select optimize one, then out of those two ads, which ad is performing well, which is giving you more clicks, which ad is giving you more conversions, Google will automatically try to show that ad more often. If you go with the do not optimize, Google will try to give equally, Google will try to show equal each ads. Okay. So, and another option is campaign URL option. You can also track your campaign by using tracking template, but I personally recommend go with the UTM. UTM is the best thing to track your campaigns. So if you go for the next slide, keyword and assistance, it is AI generated, we can skip this one. Okay, we got into the targeting now. So keyword targeting, so enter keywords. So before entering keywords, we need to know there are two types, there are two intents of keywords. One is purchase intent, another one is informative intent. I hope you got to know by their names only. Purchase intent is nothing but if someone is looking to purchase, for example, I'm looking to purchase a data digital marketing course, then I'm going to search as a digital marketing course, digital marketing online course. That is a purchase intent, right? If someone is looking for an informative intent, means what they will search, what is digital marketing, how digital marketing is important, and what is the importance of digital marketing in current industry. That is the informations which I am looking for, so I'm going to search. So these are the two intents of the keywords. I hope you understand. And next is the main thing, that is keyword type. So how the keyword types, there are three types of keyword. One is broad match, phrase match, and exact match. So what is broad match? Broad match, if I'm using a keyword of running shoe, right? If I'm using a keyword of running shoe, then if someone is searching, someone is going into Google and searching over here in search term. So if someone is searching for tennis shoes for men, then one of these word, one of your these keyword words has been triggered over here, then your ad might be triggered. Okay. And someone is searching for shocks for running, so this running word is mentioned in here, then the ad will be triggered. Any one of the word from your keyword will be searched in the search term, your ad will be triggered. That is known as a broad match. So next is phrase match. Phrase match, in the phrase match you need to add quotation mark in the starting and the end of your keyword. So if someone is searching for men's running shoe, then your ad will be triggered, because running shoes is triggered, right? If someone is searching only for men's shoes, okay, not running, only men's shoes, then your ad won't be triggered, because both the words should be included in your search term, then only the keyword will be triggered. In the exact one, you need to search exact keyword like this, running shoes, then only your keyword will be triggered in the exact match. To make it exact match, you need to add square brackets in the beginning and the end of the keyword. In the broad match, you don't need to add any kind of brackets or quotation mark. You just need to write your keywords. And in the phrase match, you need to add quotation mark. In the exact match, you need to add square brackets. Okay. So now let's go here. If I'm writing digital marketing course, then what will happen? If someone search for online course, then also this keyword will be triggered, because it is in broad match, right? If I'm going to do it as a phrase match like this, so now the keyword is in the phrase match, right? I hope you can see this. Now keyword is in the phrase match, right? So if someone is looking for an online digital marketing course, because these three words are mentioned in your search term, online digital marketing course, then this keyword will be triggered. If someone is searching for just a digital marketing course, then your exact keyword will be triggered. So I hope you got to know what are the keyword types: broad, phrase, and exact. So For now we are using phrase match keywords. I have already shortlisted the keyword. So how you going to shortlist the keywords? You just need to go to Google dashboard. Here you can see a keyword planner. Once you go to a keyword planner, you can discover a new keywords. Once you go here, you can type your keyword di digital marketing course, right? Get results. So keyword planner will give you many types of keywords related to the keyword which you have mentioned. Okay, and in this it will also give some of the data. You need to analyze your keywords. There are, I think, there are more than 1,000 keywords. It has given. You can download your keyword by clicking here, download keyword ideas. Once you download your keywords, you need to analyze. You need to analyze by search terms and monthly searches and top page bidding and low page bidding. You need to analyze by you. Once you analyze your keywords, you can get a you can shortlist few of the keywords which is relevant for your campaign or which is relevant for your company. So to know in detail about the keyword research, we're gonna discuss that in upcoming module. For now I have shortlisted few of the keywords. Okay, and these are in the broad matches, right? So I have already created a phrase match keywords over here. So I'm just copying the keyword, and all these keywords I'm going to paste over here, and all these keywords are in the phrase match. I'm just going to cross check and it is good. Perfect. So your ad group has created and your targeting is done, right? Next part is creating a ad. So creating a ad, first you need to add your final URL. For example, if I have seen an ad, for example, you can see here, right? If I'm seeing this ad, if I'm going to this one, if I'm going to click this ad, then where I'm going to land, so that you need to finalize, right? So for now we are going to copy our company page and add it over here. Okay, so this is our final destination and display path. You can write as an online course. Once you start filling your ad, creating your ad, it will also you can also preview over here. For example, we have add the URL. You can see the URL over here, right? And we have add the display path. You can see display path over here, online course. And you can add your headlines over here. You need to add 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. So you need to create your ad uh, appealing. You need to create your ad which should be appealing to your users, who get themselves to click your ad and land into your landing page and read and fill up your information and get sale, right? So I have created few of the headlines over here. So I'm just going to copy paste those headlines. Okay, I'm just copy pasting the headlines here and descriptions as well. So you can add 4 descriptions. For now we are just adding just 2 descriptions. You can add 4 descriptions. So now you can see your ad strength over here. Your ad strength is poor. So why it is poor? Because we have not utilized all the headlines. We have not utilized all the descriptions. So once you fill up all your headlines and all your descriptions, then your ad strength will be increased. Also, you need to mention the keywords. You need to create a headlines which is related to your keywords. For example, digital branding courses. If I'm adding this headline over here, and some of the keywords like certification courses, and if you click on the more idea, you will get to know what are the keywords you added. Advanced digital marketing course, you can add this as well as like advanced courses. So once you add your keyword, once your headlines are match with your keywords, it is quite similar to your keywords, then your ad strength will be increased. Now you can see it is in the poor and it came to average. You can make it to the excellent. Once your ad copy is excellent, once your ad is in excellent stage, then your campaign will serve well, because your ad is more appealing compared to your competitors. So you need to make sure your ad should be in excellent mode. You can also publish even it is in poor stage, but I personally recommend you guys to make it into excellent stage and publish your campaign, right? Now our ad has been created. Now we're going to click next. The Google will suggest you a budget, but you can also set your manual budget. I'm going to set my budget as 5,000 rupees per day. So this is the budget. Okay, next. Once you click next, it will also give you option to review your campaign. You can review your complete campaign here: campaign type, campaign objective, bidding type, and languages, ad keyword, everything is done. So everything is perfectly done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to publish the campaign, right? There you go. The campaign has been published. Congratulations, the first campaign has been published. So once the campaign is published, you need to monitor the campaign every day. You need to monitor the campaign, what is the spends, and if you are getting the conversions or good conversions or not, even you are getting a conversion or not, you need to monitor the campaign by day. Then only you can optimize the campaign, and you can understand how the leads will be generated, how the sales will be done. Okay, next, like we said, we're going to, in the end, we're going to discuss something about Google principles. So there are three principles, that is how auction system work. Auction is nothing but as a bidding system. So for example, if your competitor, you are spending 5,000 in your campaign, right? But your competitor is spending twice than your budget. Your competitor is spending 10,000 compared to your budget. But Google won't show your competitor campaign as per the budget. Google will focus on the ad relevance part. For example, if your ad copy and your ad strength is good and your ad relevance is good, then even after your competitor is bidding twice than you, your chances of rank, your ad ranking chances will be increased, because you have a good ad relevance and your ad copy, your ad strength is in excellent stage. Ad relevance is nothing but, if I'm looking at digital marketing course ad, okay, and I'm going to click on it, if I'm landing into some other course page, then the user won't stay over there. User will bounce back, right? So if the ad is in if the ad is digital marketing course, then user should be land into a digital marketing course page. Then user will go look into the page and fill up the form or you buy the course. So that's how the ad relevance matches. So if your ad relevance and ad strength is good, even your competitor bidding more than you, the chances of your ad ranking will be high. And another thing is importance of campaign structure. So why the campaign structure is very important in Google Ads? For example, let me give you an example. So Google ad account, just imagine this campaign 1 is for shoes and campaign 2 is for flip flops, okay? And inside the campaign 1, this ad group is for formal shoes and this one is for sneakers, right? Running shoes, right? For example, if someone is searching for a formal shoe in a search term, so Google account will show this campaign, because this campaign is related to shoes, right? And this campaign will trigger your this ad group, because this ad group 1 is for this ad group. Inside this ad group, the keywords are formal shoes. Then campaign will trigger this ad group, and your ad will be related to only formal shoes. So like this, the campaign structure works. For example, if I'm adding all the keywords in this single ad group, flip flop, formal shoes, sneakers, and someone is searching for a formal shoes and he went over here and the ad is for the sneakers, then user might bounce. That's why the ad structure is very important. So you need to segregate all the keywords and segregate all the products in a perfect way. Then only your campaign will work good and your account will start learning in an accurate way. So this is all about Google Ads, and there are few things, like I said, conversion event, and another is keyword analysis, that we are going to discuss in upcoming models. I hope you understand till now, and yeah, thank you.